Captain, before we step onto this life and space island, tell me, what does cell make you feel when it means the smallest living unit in the body, a small room such as a prison room, and a small section in a table, grid, or battery system? Meaning 1. The smallest living unit in the body, or in a plant or animal, used for the tiny basic part that living things are made of. Example: the doctor explained how each cell in the body needs water and energy. Common use: body cell, brain cell, skin cell. Body cell model. Meaning 2. A small room, especially one used in a prison or monastery, used for a narrow enclosed room with very limited space. Example: the guard locked the heavy door of the stone cell before nightfall. Common use: prison cell, dark cell, locked cell. Stone cell door. Meaning 3. A small section in a table, grid, or battery system, used for one box in a chart or spreadsheet, or one unit inside a battery or technical structure. Example: she entered the number in the last cell of the report. Common use: table cell, battery cell, grid cell. Last cell entry. Cell is a word with several very different meanings. In biology, it means the tiny living unit that makes up plants, animals, and people. In another meaning, it is a small enclosed room, especially in prisons or old religious buildings. In technical and written contexts, it can mean one small unit in a grid, chart, or battery. Read the tiny unit, the narrow room, and the small structured space with care, Captain. Carry cell for the living piece that builds a body, for the enclosed room that limits movement, and for the small market unit that gives order and power to larger systems as we sail to the next island.